Hi everyone, Vortex HD65 not turning on or charging. In this video, we will show you simple solutions to get your phone working again. Fix 1. Check the back cover. Remove the back cover, ensure it fits securely and clicks into place. Reattach the cover firmly around the edge. Fix 2. Inspect for dirt or grime. Examine the power button for dirt or debris. Clean around the power button using a microfiber cloth or soft brush. Fix 3. Examine the battery. If your phone has a removable battery, take it out carefully. Look for any sign of swelling, corrosion, or damage on the battery. If you suspect battery failure, consider replacing it with a new one or using a battery from another compatible devices. Fix 4. Clean the charging port. Look for inside the charging port for dust or debris. Use a small tool like a SIM card ejector or a toothpick to gently remove any buildup. Fix 5. Test the charger. Try using a different charging cable and wall adapter. Ensure that the charger is compatible with your Vortex HD65. Fix 6. Check the power outlet. Plug another device into the same outlet to confirm it has power. Try charging your phone in different outlets if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.